This is Abiodun Mustafa again. I hope you've been getting so much value from my video, which I've been sharing deep insights from the book of Proverbs. Today I'll be sharing from the book of Proverbs chapter 15, and I'll be looking at verse 14. Intelligent people want to learn, but stupid people are satisfied with ignorance. I'll read that again. Intelligent people want to learn, but stupid people are satisfied with ignorance. Whenever you see those who are celebrated for the value of their knowledge, for the things they dish out, for the things they give out, and you always have a reason to applaud them when they speak, the reason is because they are intelligent. And what really makes people intelligent is not the fact that they were celebrated in the past, but the fact that they are always willing to learn. Look at it this way. When you walk into a place and probably for certain reason, you understand that the caliber of people that you have met in those places have certain results you don't have, they've gone far ahead of you, they've accomplished so much. When you get to such place and you just begin to talk and talk and talk, and people know better than you just begin to look, it's not wisdom. But you know what intelligence will do? They would sit down and begin to learn. They begin to take note. They begin to invite. They begin to visualize strategies. They begin to see how they can do what the successful do so that they can be successful. They begin to see how to do what those who have made it, those who have gone ahead, those who are top players in their industry, they begin to understand their frame of thought and begin to do the things that they do so that they can become what they have become. So intelligent people are those who are always willing to learn. They are those who watch videos that will make them learn, who will read books that will make them learn, who will listen to podcasts, who will come for things like this that would inspire them and challenge them to see things in the way they've not seen it. But you see, those who are not intelligent, they are always argumentative, always arguing. They hear a news, they don't find out, they just say, oh no, this is what it is. Oh, they are always people that believe what have been said in the past. They stay to their past mindset, and that's why you see a lot of people who stay in their stupidity. And that's why the Bible says that, but stupid people are satisfied in their ignorance. Listen to me. What you knew yesterday does not mean it's still valid today. You need to keep searching. You need to keep making researches and then stay relevant in that industry. Listen to this also. The reason why people have reason to publish and their publications are recognized is because they understudied things in the past, they made contribution, and then they begin to make their work visible. And then their work become relevant in solving problems. And that's when they say people make contribution to knowledge. That's how to be intelligent. Intelligent people are always learning. They don't say, oh, what I've done is the best. Oh, the way I'm doing it is the best. No other way can be better than this. Intelligent people are always willing to learn. But the stupid ones, they remain satisfied in their ignorance. I believe you'll be choosing to be intelligent by willing to learn every day. Don't let any day go without you learning something new, meeting someone new, impacting someone new, and meditating on something new. Till I come your way again tomorrow, please do well to like this video. Please do well to remain exceptional. Do well to subscribe to this video and share this video with your friends. Cheers.